हेलो ममता जी।
Hello, ma'am.
गुड
How
आफ्टरनून।
are you, ma'am? Good
आई एम गुड
afternoon.
एंड डूइंग वेल. व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I'm also good, ma'am.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर डे?
Ma'am, it was nice. You tell
एंड
me, ma'am,
हाउ
about yours.
इज लाइफ ट्रीटिंग यू नाउअडेज?
Yeah, it's maybe, ma'am. It is good. Not that much of good, but like so, it is going on because like it was my health was
Yeah,
also not good and my father's health also not good. So that's why my days is not going that much well. But
yeah,
at least now it's manageable. It is
yeah.
okay.
It means you are not happy inwardly. That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
But
and
it's happened, ma'am. Life in life, it comes ups and downs.
yeah, it is a
So
life,
we
na.
have.
We have to
Mhm,
face all those things.
mhm,
Yeah.
mhm.
So before diving into the session, please introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you give me this opportunity.
Yeah.
So my name is Mamta Kaur. I am from
Mm,
Rajasthan, Jaipur. I have
mm,
completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After then,
okay.
I earned my B.Ed degree along with a qualified CTET degree. And
Okay.
nowadays, I am improving my communication skill and now I am running my YouTube channel. That name is Mamtaj Mighty. And my hobbies like spending time with the family member and
Okay.
some playing like badminton, carom board, this type of game I like to do. That's it.
Mm.
That's it, ma'am. For about me.
And nowadays you are practicing group with the co-learner.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because I
Now
don't
you.
have any option, so I thought like I should
Yeah, yeah.
join two different type of people and I should talk to them.
So shall I introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
My name is Puspa from UP district Saharanpur. And if I talk about my education, I completed my post graduation in education subject from CCS University. And if I talk about my hobby, I have green thumb. I love my plant and I have a skill of stitching and I can stitch my clothes, not other outsider. And I love listening old song 90s era Sonuda and Alkayagni. That's all about me. And nowadays I am into this learning, spoken learning. And
Okay,
may
ma'am.
I know how long have you been in this journey? When did you start?
Okay, ma'am. Like, ma'am, it is not that much days. Uh, but I got to know about 1 year. So,
Okay.
but I was not consistent. I used to speak. I joined Just Talk application. So there I used to talk. So sometimes I used to talk half an hour, 1 hour, and sometimes I didn't talk. But I was not working on my pronunciation, reading, writing, listening, these
Yeah.
type of thing I was not doing. Sometimes I used to do listening part, but another part I was not doing. So that journey it was not fruitful for me. After then I decided if I should be consistent. So it's been I think 20 to 50, 25 days, but
Okay.
after then in between I was under the weather, so my consistency also skip.
Yeah.
So now
Mm,
I am thinking I should maintain my consistency again so that I can improve my communication skill.
yeah.
So now I am.
Maintaining consistency is must. If we are not able to maintain, so we forget each and everything which we have learned earlier. And
Mhm.
how long have you been making this type of video conversation video?
And this type of video like conversation video I am making around 4 and 5, like it's been around 10 days. I am
Okay.
doing conversation. I started, so I uploading only 4 5 videos. I didn't upload that much videos. So before I used to upload related to grammatical part like sentences, vocab. So, but it was typical for me because suppose I am preparing any video for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so it was taking too much time, and I was not improving that much myself also. So after then I decided if I will speak, I will do conversation. So it may be indirectly I will improve a lot along with my content also automatically it would be ready.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's why I decided and I started doing this type of thing.
yeah. Because English learning takes time, not a overnight work. We need to
Sorry, ma'am.
give. This is English journey takes time. It is not a
Yes, ma'am.
overnight work.
Hmm.
We need to
Yes,
give
ma'am. You
a
are
lot
very
of
correct.
time and
Yeah, ma'am. If
yeah,
we
yeah.
have environment, whatever we have environment in a school and
Mm,
house, and if we are joining any company and another areas,
mm,
like we can say professional place, there we have environment, then we can improve our communication skill
yeah,
fastly and without putting any efforts. But if we
yeah,
are not having environment and any another option, so little bit it takes time.
yeah.
So only we
Environment,
I have only
yeah,
one option, YouTube.
yeah. If we have an environment, so we don't need to learn grammar part if we have a
Yeah, there is no
environment.
need to grammatical part. There is no need
Yeah,
to listen on YouTube a lot. But
yeah,
if we don't have, so we
yeah,
have to
yeah.
listen a lot on YouTube. After
Mm.
then, we can consume content from there.
As you mentioned, you completed your B.Ed and do you teach somewhere in any private school?
No, ma'am, I'm not teaching. I like last year I went one of his school. So there I tried. So that was a school English medium.
Yeah,
So they told me if you know how to speak English, so you can join here. So that
yeah,
school it was near to me. That's why I tried
yeah.
to teach there. But
Mm,
they didn't hire me because a lack of communication skill. I didn't know that much. Right? Normally that time I can speak, but only little bit. Now also I'm not able, but at least I can put my thoughts in front of anybody.
mm.
So that's why I didn't join there. After then I didn't try because after then I thought like I will improve my communication skill firstly,
Yeah, I
and
need to
after
work.
then I will thought, I will thought.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
nowadays I am not working on my subject also, only I am focusing on English communication skill.
yeah, yeah. Because if we don't have na spoken skill, so in that situation, our or opens close or doors opens
Yeah,
related
automatically
to
it will
job.
open.
Yeah, yeah,
We should have a skill, any skill.
yeah, yeah. And you are well educated, and because of this spoken skill, you didn't get a job, and that time you rejected, you felt bad.
Yes, ma'am. Like if we are going to teach, we have a degree. After then, you are not hiring because of
Mm,
only English speaking. So
mm,
like after that time, like we felt guilty ourselves. Like only English language basis we are not hiring.
yeah,
So English like nowadays English is mandatory where whatever we are going anywhere, any
yeah.
professional place. So
And
then like we should learn
yeah.
this language definitely.
Mm. And how much time do you spend every day with this language?
Before
You,
I used to spend like 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever I was
oh my God.
taking time for me. But nowadays, like I told you, my health and my father health was not
Mm,
good. So
mm.
now my father is not that much okay. So that's why I am not mentally okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
after then, like today, I thought like I didn't talk. It's been I think
Mhm.
5 to 6 days. So it is not okay for me.
Yeah.
So after then, I thought like I should do conversation.
And when you
Today I was
started,
not
Mhm. Go
comfortable.
ahead.
I
When
was
you
saying you today.
started, oh, oh my God, go ahead, please, complete it.
Okay. Carry on, ma'am. What are you saying?
When you started spending 3 or 4 hours on this language, and when you felt that I am okay with this language, and that time I think you created your channel, YouTube channel, when you
No,
got
ma'am. That was
confident.
I was not okay in this language. Only just learning purpose. I started. I used to upload vocab, and along with I used to learn those vocab and
Mhm.
sentences. I used to upload. So I used to think like if I will write some sentences for making content, so automatically
Mhm.
I will learn those sentences. So this type of work I used to do. Sometimes I started creating stories. I used to think
Okay.
I will read, I will speak. So automatically my mind started catching those words and those sentences. So these work I started. And
Mhm.
after then, like I thought, like now at least I am able to speak.
Mhm.
I can share my
Mhm.
thoughts in front of anybody. So
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I started conversation.
Mm. Which type of genre do you like in reading?
Reading, ma'am, I'm not is reading any specific book.
Mm.
Sometimes I read stories book. Sometimes I read my self book, like my subject related to my subjects book. So
Okay.
whatever I am consuming any content, those content it would be related English. So this type of
Okay.
work I am doing.
Yeah.
Sometimes anything it is writing in Hindi, so I try to
Mhm.
translate in English
Mm.
because accuracy it's also matter. So
Mm.
that's why I am working on my accuracy also.
Mm. Reading is must for improving, because when we read na anything, so we got vocabulary, and that vocabulary we can use while conversation, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Whatever we are reading, suppose we are reading one paragraph. So
Yeah.
we should read this paragraph again and again. Then we will
Yeah.
consume content. Otherwise, like we are doing reading. It is okay, but if
Mm.
we read same content again and again, so that time
Mm.
we gain lots of things.
Mm.
We understand like how it is make sentences
Mm.
and about vocab. We
Yeah,
got
yeah.
to know.
And as you mentioned, you have created this channel for your improving spoken level improving. So I am also same page. My main motive was creating this channel to improve this language. You can say spoken level. And earlier I was not able to speak even a single sentence, but nowadays I am able to give my message other person who is in front of me easily without facing any problem. And what is your favorite part of the day?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What is
What
my
is
favorite
your
part?
favorite? What is your favorite part of the day?
Favorite part now, ma'am, like
Morning, evening, afternoon.
I like morning time
Why?
because I feel active in the morning time. So whenever I got free, morning time, it is little bit hectic for a housewife. But we
Okay.
should I try to wake up early and I try to read and study. I like to study morning time. Evening time I don't like to study.
Hmm.
So at my age, I try to study morning time, and my favorite time is morning.
And there is no disturbance in the morning. We feel calm, composed, and we
We
get
feel
some time for ourselves in the morning, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And is there any uh, means favorite your childhood memory which you want to share here on YouTube? Unforgettable memory,
Ma'am,
very
unforgettable memory.
your heart.
I the time I miss my friends. Like I
Okay.
used to laugh with my friends a lot, and every time I am thinking like when we will meet our friends, because like you can understand we are a girl, so after marriage we can't meet our
Yeah.
friends. So those memory like I miss sometime.
Mm.
So this
Mm. It means
is
after marriage you are not into speaking term with your friend.
sometimes rarely we talk to our friend because all are busy on her life.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And there is a big problem, many girls after marriage, before marriage they are doing job, and after marriage they have to leave their job because of household responsibility. What would you like to
Mhm.
say about it? It is good or not?
Ma'am, it's depend on family and situation. We can't say like she is doing work, so every woman can do like this. We can't say
Yeah.
it's depend on situation and totally family member. Like if
Mm.
you are living single family, so like you have to like you can't go outside because you have to manage everything. But you are living with the joint family. You have a mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. So there is no
Yeah.
need to like compromise with your life.
Below.
You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
manage everything easy way.
yeah.
So it depend on family, totally depend on family. How is the nature of the family
Mm.
members? So
And
they.
in some cases, women choose the quitting their job because they want to raise their children by themselves. They want to spend their time with their children. They take decision by themselves, and it is good. And if we are living in joint family, so we get support na. Oh, mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law. So in that situation, woman manage those things, means working professionally and household chores. And in
Yes,
some
ma'am.
cases, if they want, they hire helping hand, है ना? So, do you have any question for me?
Yes, ma'am. Like, ma'am,
Okay.
you told me like I am a teacher. So now, are you teaching?
No, I'm not a teacher. I haven't mentioned here I am teacher.
Okay, ma'am. I think you like you told me like before you used to teach.
No, no,
Okay, it's teaching. I think you are doing.
no, no. I'm not doing stitching nowadays and not earlier. I am just housewife since I got married.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I thought you told me like I have a green thumb. I used to teach and I used to do
Yeah.
stitching. It's very okay.
And you are
So,
learning
ma'am,
this language. Sometimes we feel bored, monotonous. And what do you do to unwind yourself?
what do you do?
To unwind yourself.
What is the meaning of ma'am? Unwind?
अनवाइंड मीन्स अपने आप को रिलैक्स फील कराने के लिए क्या करते हो? डू यू लिसन म्यूजिक? डू यू वांट टू प्ले विथ चिल्ड्रन?
Okay, okay, ma'am. You are saying like apart from study, like suppose I am feeling monotonous from
या
my
या
study,
या
then
या
right. So, ma'am, that time, like suppose I am reading, writing, and I was working on my English communication. So that
या
time, like I think I should go on my terrace and I should talk to different type of people. One of thing I do. Apart from that, like I like to music. Whenever I am
ओके
doing my household work in my kitchen, so I like to listen music. So this
ओके
thing I do.
but when I feel monotonous and bored, so I would like to go to talk my mother.
Yes, sometimes
I
I talk
feel
to
relaxed,
members also.
calm, composed after talking to my mother.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Yeah, ma'am. like I think most of the women do. Like if we have
Yeah.
time, so we try to
Mm.
talk our mother, sister, and our
Mhm.
brother. But I don't talk that much, little bit.
Hmm. And
And after
how
then,
many? Yeah.
so now you are enjoying. You are
Yeah, yeah.
fully free.
I'm enjoying my free time, and I am learning this language, adding
Your
some more
like
skill of my personality.
your
Yeah.
granddaughter, grandson, they are not. I think they are learning with you.
No, no. She is a baby girl. She is just 7 month old.
Okay, just is just 7 months.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Their grandmother is learning English.
Yes.
So it's nice.
Yeah.
So now you are totally free. You are enjoying your life, and like you have time, so you started talking different type of people.
You know, na, being a woman is not free at any time.
You human not feel.
Being a woman is not free anytime because they have lot of responsibility after means when any woman children got married, so after that they have to lot of responsibility take care of their grandchildren. And if in some cases daughter-in-law doing job, so mother-in-law have to do work at home. So in this situation, mother-in-law not free, more
Okay,
mother-in-law not free. Yeah. Okay. And now it's been, I think, 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes, and now I want to wind this session.
you can wrap up the session. And ma'am, nice to talk
Okay.
to you.
And
Thank you
it
so
was
much, ma'am.
nice talking to you, Mamtaji. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
And I will send you this video.
Okay.
Okay.